too. Okay.
Okay, cool. So yeah, Fox versus Mewtwo, winner semis. Panther has obviously had an incredible run this bracket, and grade coming from where's grade from? You know where grade's from?
I think BC.
BC.
But I don't know if he's like moved here or staying here temporarily or something, but he's been around in Ontario for a while now.
And he's also been doing like incredible at the past couple Ontario events. I think he got. Did he top 8 at Revenge of the Six? I think so. I know he's farming in the Saga weeklies, so it's good to see him here. Obviously, you'd think Fox would kind of do pretty good against Mewtwo, mainly because Mewtwo is such a big target. With that tail hitbox being significantly nerfed from Smash 4, you'll see that Fox is able to get in a lot of openings and hit him in a lot of times where you feel like Mewtwo probably shouldn't get hit. And obviously Mewtwo's very light, so he's going to die early. But it does go both ways. Fox is also light, so it's going to be a very explosive match, I think.
It doesn't help that Panther is an explosive player and Fox is a stock deleter, but it looks like it doesn't matter here. It's great. It evens it up with the down air.
But we are 2 stocks apiece. Both players just running in is what you love to see. I wish I saw that. Dropping frames.
Nice.
Catching the
air dodge frame trap and got the up smash.
Mission complete.
very demanding win from Panther.
We might see the source swap, but it's kind of tough because both of the characters pop like a balloon, and Fox is known to be a stock deleter. So
I can imagine, yeah, Fox could do a great job of rushing Sword down. Then again, though, Sword does have the range with like the neutral air and everything. So switching to the Wolf. Now this is a pick we definitely weren't expecting. Does he have a Wolf? I don't even know. Let's find out. Again, back to PS2.
Worst case, it's a Fundy's Wolf, so.
See where it gets him. Both players are playing footsies here. Waiting for an opening. Panther, of course, getting that opening first and capitalizing on it. Not like insanely, but still getting a decent amount of damage.
Take center. Nice F2.
Yeah, we can see here Panther's also doing a great job of playing around center stage here. Like he's not like rushing in, he's waiting like center stage and waiting to catch you off. Nice throw, calling it a shield. Gonna get hit by the nair. Looking for the tech chase, getting the down air into the back air. The up smash gonna do it.
X from behind, I think there.
Panther definitely wasn't expecting that, but
Land into the up smash. Both players playing reactively at the ledge, just waiting each other out a little bit. But when both of them get hands on each other, it can be pretty.
Going for that up smash attempt, but you think Panther could have shielded that? Not too sure. Other way. Great having a huge lead here. The Wolf is definitely working out for him. I thought that was going to be a Wolf Flash setup. But Panther, obviously taking stock, definitely not over. We've seen Panther make way crazier comebacks. And both players playing very patiently. Does he need to plug it back in?
Star Fox.
What? Oh. Gourmet mic issues. Sorry, we're missing. The 20 frame. The 20 frame capture card. Which one is it? That one. Try now.
Mic issues killing this. The poor stream, man.
Okay, we're both good. We got a good minute of commentary. Let's go. Okay, back to PS2. We gotta talk really fast, okay? Grade, right? Yeah.
Jab mix up on the drop shield there. Nice anti-air.
Doing a great job of calling out Gray's jumps. Obviously, Fox definitely has the frames for it. Not gonna go off stage. Ooh, looking for it. Slightly mistiming it. That probably would have caught roll if he did it. He waited a little bit for the jab. Probably looking for a potential spot dodge there. Off stage. What's he gonna do with it? Not gonna go for a 2-frame. Panther immediately coming back with a forward air.
Lucky trade on the up air there.
There's like one big hit from either of them. We'll take the stock. Who's gonna get it first? Ooh, weaving that up smash. Luckily, hitting the sour spot, Panther is living. Up smash.
Yeah. It looked like it was going to kill.
I think he could have lived that. I want to say he could have lived that. Definitely struggling against the wolf here. Kind of throwing out the up smashes. Desperately trying to close the stock.
If he takes it slow, still a doable game.
Oh, easily.
I don't think up smash kills at this percent, but it might now.
Looking for a roll read there. Gonna get it.
Scary.
The 2-frame. This is such a scary match. Such a scary position for Panther to be in. YOLOing the up B, gonna get punished by the up smash. And yeah, one up smash or back air is gonna take it, but again, we've seen Panther. All he needs is a couple nairs. Avoiding that up smash, doesn't want to get hit with any of it.
Nice jab.
Nice, yeah, landing mix-up. He knows he's gonna drop shield, so going for the jab. Punishing the up tilt.
Overzealous up tilt.
Gonna be 2-1 to grade.
Star Fox.
Yeah, for sure. And yeah, Gray definitely doesn't want to let this go to game 5. He wants to close it out here now. Was it PS2 again? I think they were just fine with PS2. Yep. It's one of those sets. Stage pick doesn't really matter. They're both confident, and you love to see it. Forward air into the side B there. Yeah. I feel like initially Panther was doing a really great job of anti-airs, but now Great is just going for it, just catching him every time he wants to jump. YOLOing the up B again. Not going to go off stage, waiting, getting a dash attack. Not a crazy punish, but it's definitely better than nothing. Okay, hit him with down tilt, or F tilt. from both these players, yeah. Gonna delay that. Very smart from Panther. Not looking to lose this game and go to losers. Good anti-air. The back air. This is like a... Testing, 1, 2. Testing. How did they both? Okay, I'm alive. We're back to the mic issues are going to game 5 in my opinion. It's a very visceral matchup. Volatile -2 for Lars's mic. I'm doing pretty good against my mic, but I have a headset. You want to use my headset? Yeah. Wait. Fuck. Is it? No, it's not. Never mind. Wait, is there? Oh wait, no. There's a converter here. Wait. That's mine. Okay, sorry. Try now. My mic's gonna be broken too. Oh, he needs to like change the settings. Okay. Panther taking this. About to send it to a game 5. One more solid hit. This is call it a jump or something. Probably gonna look for a back air. Yeah, oh, he wants it. Is it still not working? Panther taking it, sending them to game 5 here.
I just use different for it. Okay.
Okay. Going to a game 5. We might get one more game. Without the mic crashing. We should be good. Back on PS2 again. I think. Yep. Doesn't matter, bro. Yeah. Which I respect, because I do. Doing a great job of calling out the jumps. Nice combo. Because he just knows. He's reading his soul. Off to a great start here. Ooh. Yeah, in those situations, you definitely want to set yourself up so you can cover multiple options. Taunting. Oh, let's go, Panther. And he's just waiting. Like, he's not going to rush in and give the stock to him. You're going to come to me. It's I have to say, like, as someone who plays Panther a lot, it's very unusual seeing him play this way. Like, he's playing so safe, so patient. Which is like he's playing second basically. Which is not usual. So yeah, that's why we're seeing this. A lot of neutral, a lot of footsies. Back throw, not gonna do it. Nice jump mix-up. He doesn't want to risk getting 2 frames. Good grab. I think Panther is definitely starting to notice now that Great is shielding a lot. He's waited for game 5 and now he's really capitalizing off of that. Oh, for sure. Is that FP? Everyone's scared, right? Game 5. So if you have that like ready to like abuse that, yeah, that'd be insane. It's not gonna hit. Body hitbox. See, now Panther's kind of just running in again, but it's working out now. they're both just like capitalizing on like all the little mistakes that have been made throughout the set. This final game, like I genuinely have no idea who's gonna win. Oh, that was a hype set. They're just waiting. Panther getting the first hit in like 40 seconds. Oh, the run-up shield to show us respect. And immediately grab it. Not having any of that. Looking for forward roll. Down we go. Panther needs to be very careful. Covers, getting the back air. That was huge. Great, having a slight lead here. He wants to get any extra credit that he can. Dash attack. Panther does not want to be off stage here. Gonna hit the back air into the taunt. We're going last stock, game 5. So sets like this would be some people. 2 spaces. Yeah, holy. I imagine this matchup is super even too, right? Doing a great job of catching his landings with the dash attacks. F tilt. Oh, he wanted it. He wanted to end it right there. Just be very careful. His advantage here. Because the back air would probably do it. Yeah. See, they both get hit, but neither of them like run engage. They're both winning. Into the F smash. Oh, that could have been it. F smash. He's gonna do it.
This is Fox, returning to base.